Hi, my name is McAllister. You're tuning into my channel. Go ahead and just watch everything and do everything exactly how I do. First of all, what I'm going to be talking about and giving a tutorial on today is how to go ahead and fix operating systems that are saying they're corrupt or not working. So this is a quick, easy way how to go ahead and fix that and give you a uh, registered version of Windows for free as well. So please go ahead and watch the tutorial and like and subscribe at the end. And I definitely appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to need these three programs right here. We need WinRAR 64. I have a 64-bit operating system. Depending on what you have, if you have a 32-bit, you're going to want to get the 32-bit. On top of that, you're going to need a ISO from the Windows. I'm going to give you links to all this as well. And you're also going to want Windows USB DVD tool. This is what's going to allow you to burn the ISO and make your USB stick, USB drive bootable. So let's go ahead and go down to here first. Let's go see what kind of operating system we have. So if you go to your computer, after you hit your start menu, start bar, you're going to see this thing right here. Now if you scroll up and go to where it says system properties right here, and you scroll down, as you can see, it looks like where it says system type, 64-bit operating system. So if you have a 32-bit, it'll say 32-bit operating system at that time. So let's go ahead and move on now. So now that we know we have a 64-bit, let's download the 64-bit software that we're going to be needing. Okay, and this is how we're going to be doing this. I already have the tabs open right now, actually. So here's the first one right here. If you go to WinRAR.com, or just type in WinRAR, whatever you have, 64-bit, 32-bit, whatever you have, it'll show up right here. Make sure you download whatever you have. I have the 64-bit, so I'm going to click download the 64-bit. I'm going to double click it, and I already have it clicked. I'm going to go right here and push download. It's now going to download. It's just loading the page. Okay, it's asking me how to install your download. Just click restart the download. I already have it downloaded. As you can see, it asked me if I want to make a copy of it, and I don't. So I'm not going to save it. I already have a copy of it on my desktop. But you will go ahead and save it. Then you're going to go to this site right here, Windows USB DVD download tool. You're going to scroll down. Oh, let me go back real quick. Well, I can't. Okay, but you're going to go to this right here, and you're going to get to a page where it says download in a purple button. Click that button. It'll now download it for you. And like you can see, I already have one already downloaded. I don't want to make a copy, so I'm going to cancel, but you should go ahead and save at that point. Next, you're going to want to go to this website right here, Web4PC. And then you're going to want to scroll through the pages, and you're going to want to find Windows 7 All-in-One ISO, AIO, downloaded, 32-bit and 64-bit bootable ISO. Go ahead and scroll down. As soon as you find that, it's going to look like that. And you're going to click this button right here where it says download. You're going to click that. It's going to bring you to another page. It's going to take a little while to load. And now it's going to wait. You're going to be in the servers on waiting to download this specific ISO. It could take a while. You might have to keep refreshing your page sometimes. But look at that. It already popped up. And it looks like it's about 3.81 gigabytes. So just keep that in mind. You have to have that enough space. So I already downloaded it, so I don't need it. I'm actually going to push cancel, but you should push save. And at that point, now we can go ahead and exit out of the browser. So at this point, what we're going to do is, now that you have this downloaded, you're going to go to your computer, downloads, and copy, paste it, and put it on your desktop. Put all three of these programs on your desktop. Let's go ahead and install this one first. What you're going to want to do is open this. You're going to want to go to install. It's installing. Okay, you're going to want to click all of these because this just the file types that it opens. You're going to want to click all those just for future references. Also click this too as well. I haven't had a problem with that yet, and I think it's really good to have. And then at the very end, just push OK. And now there you go. Now you have WinRAR, except opened on your computer. It's basically to open different kind of files that you normally can't open. Next, let's go ahead and go to Windows USB DVD tool. I'm going to double click that. As you can see, it shows uh, download tool setup wizard. Click next. Click next. It's going to start downloading. I'm sorry, it's going to start installing. It could take a while to go ahead and do this, but just be patient and it'll definitely work out for you. Okay, there it goes. There it is. It's totally done. Click finish. Now, how you can tell to see if it's been successfully downloaded on your computer, all you do is scroll around, look on your desktop, and look for that. Look at that, Windows 7 USB DVD tool. So now all I have to do is click this twice. It's going to open it up. There it is. Now it's going to bring a page like this. It's going to say source file. Now at this point, what you're going to want to do, if you saved your ISO, you copied and pasted it to your desktop, you're going to want to click browse, go to your desktop, go to your desktop, okay, and you're going to want to scroll until you find, let me see, Web 4 PC 7 ISO. You're going to want to double click that. It's now saving it right here. Click next. Okay, it's going to want to ask you what you want to save it into. What do you want to make this bootable image onto, a DVD or a USB? Let's say you don't have a DVD. Go ahead and put your USB drive in the USB port in the laptop or desktop computer, and then push USB device. And then you're going to click whatever USB device you have in there. Right now, as you can see, I don't have anything in mine at the moment because I already have my USB devices already programmed. I don't want to do it all over again. But at that point, as soon as you do that, you're going to want to do this. Right after you click what you want, your USB drive that you put in, you're going to put begin copying. As soon as you push begin copying, it's going to take up to maybe 5-10 minutes for it to make your USB bootable and download this operating system ISO onto the USB. At that point, when it's finally done, what you're then going to go ahead and do is exit out of everything. It's going to say done. It's going to say finished. Click out of everything and then restart your computer. Right down here, it's going to say restart, restart. Okay, so on that note, let me go ahead and restart it. I'm going to put my USB drive in right here. Place it in the USB port. Okay, now when it restarts, it's going to be loading from my USB drive. There it is. It's loading from the Windows files. Okay, now that we got the Windows loading up, it's going to act as if I have a USB. Oh, this is a different kind of program right here. So this is a different kind of operating system. But either or, it's going to bring something like this. You're going to click next, and it's going to bring you some other pages. Keep following everything it does, and then it's going to get to the point where it's going to tell you to go ahead and install it, and at that point you can go ahead and install it at that time. So on that note, I hope this helps you out, and I hope everything works out for you. And just to let you know, just in case it doesn't automatically boot from the USB, there's something you can do. Let me go ahead and exit out of all this so I can go ahead and show you what to do just in case that does happen for you. Let me exit out of this. Now it's going to restart my computer. And just in case you can't get into it, hold on to F2 the whole entire time. Hold on to F2 while you're pushing start. And let's see here. Again, I have a different system, so it depends on what you have. So you want to get to your BIOS. And my BIOS is a little different because I have a different kind of Windows. But as soon as you get to your BIOS, you're going to want to go to bootable drives. And make sure you click your USB drive to be your primary drive. And it'll boot from your USB drive at that time. Alright, well, this is my first tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it works out for you. If it doesn't, please comment, and I'll definitely get back to you and let you know what to do, okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye now.